everyone, in today's video I'm going to be testing out this Amazon dip powder kit. Personally, I do gel nail polish just because I have multiple colors, UV light, and of course tools to do gel nail polish. And I was looking of course to buy more gel nail polish color, and I was like, you know what, let me change it up a bit, let me try the dip powder kit. So I'm going to test this out and see how it works for y'all. Alright, before we get started, I just want to let y'all know that I have Wonder Tips on top of my fingernails from Sally Beauty Supply just to add length to my fingernails. Alright, just got done doing the dip powder kit. Actually, I really like using it except for the pods. The pods are so small, so whenever I was sticking my finger in there at a 45-degree angle like it says to, I was losing most of my powder. I literally have pink powder all over my white towel on my table, so that was only one thing I didn't like just because I was wasting product. But hey, you can't be going off of Amazon purchasing this kit for about 30 bucks because I know in my area at a salon to get this professionally done is about $40 plus. So now I can do this at my own home. Of course, I'm not the greatest at doing my nails, so hopefully you'll have better luck at doing your nails than I did. But hey, 30 bucks off Amazon, can't beat that. So hopefully y'all enjoy this. Until next time, bye guys.